In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an image inside a frame on Canva. This is a simple, time-saving skill that helps you place your photos cleanly inside preset shapes and layouts without any complicated editing. Start by opening Canva and going to your project. Once your design is on the screen, make sure the frame you want to use is already on the canvas. Frames are those placeholders with a pattern inside them that automatically crop images to a specific shape. If you can see the frame where you want your image to go, you're ready to move the image. Next, find the image you want to place. It might already be on your canvas, or it could be in the sidebar under Uploads if you added your own photo, or under the Photos tab if you're using Canva's library. Either way, the process is the same. Click the image, hold your mouse button down, and start dragging it toward the frame. As you hover over the frame, you'll notice a subtle highlight or outline appear around the frame, and the image will preview inside its shape. That's your cue that Canva recognizes the frame and is ready to place the image there. When the preview looks right, simply release the mouse. The image will snap into the frame automatically, perfectly contained within its edges. If the placement doesn't look quite how you imagined, don't worry. You can drag the image away and try again, releasing it when the preview feels balanced. Small adjustments in where you hover before releasing can change how the image sits within the frame, so take a moment to get it just right before letting go. If the image doesn't snap into the frame at all, double check that you're hovering directly over the frame and not just near it. Also confirm that it's truly a frame and not a regular shape. Frames have that distinctive pattern before an image is added, and if you accidentally release in the wrong spot, simply undo and repeat the drag and drop. This drag and drop action is all you need. It works consistently whether your image comes from the canvas, your uploads, or Canva's stock library. Once released inside the frame, your photo will stay neatly contained, making your design look polished and professional in seconds. That's it. Go to your project, find the image, click and drag it to the frame, and release. Simple as that. With this technique, you can swap images quickly and keep your layouts clean without extra steps. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.